Onfinity is expanding across India with a pan-India rollout of Value ERP in collaboration with Jio. We are looking for competent partners in every region to provide local support to our customers. This means fantastic opportunities for IT service providers and professionals across the country. If you're an IT service provider with experience in ERP or business applications, or an accountant ready for new challenges, we want to hear from you. Join our partnership program and open the door to exciting new opportunities. There's no partnership fee. Once you qualify, you'll receive free training and onboarding, plus access to all the resources you need to start implementing Value ERP successfully. And with Value ERP, you can create a new stream of recurring revenue for your business. Register now to kickstart your partnership application and become part of the Onfinity journey.